Once upon a time, there was a lady who was so bored that she decided to give herself a haircut. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, that lady would be me. And here's how I did it. I started off by dividing my hair into 2 equal parts and then made 2 ponytails. Got my favorite scissors and I was ready to chop off my hair. I was so nervous and I was doubting all of my decisions that led me to this moment. But there's no way back and we're doing this. So the first part is off and now off to the second part. A very important note here that you have to cut exactly the same amount as you did with the first part. So I'm doing it right now and I'm a bit struggling because I have more hair at the back than at the front. Again, I'm thinking it's a very, very bad idea, but what's done, it's done, baby. And that exact moment, I realized, what the hell did I do? But then I decided to check my layers and they were perfectly equal. I was so happy. Oh my goodness, look at these layers. Like, what? I was so excited to style my hair and oh my god, look at the result. I cannot believe that I just saved approximately $100 on a haircut. Let me know, what do you think?